This video may be a little late getting out, but today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. I just got back from the store. I had to run and get some spray shellac to finish up my project. But today, I take a scrap piece of wood and I turn it into something I think is pretty cool for my wife. We decided we're not buying Valentine's gifts this year. What a waste of money. She didn't say nothing about building one. Check out this video and I'll bring you back and show you the finished product. You ever try to make your wife something for Valentine's Day? We're going to see how this will turn out. We're getting somewhere. Got it sanded down. Now I'm trying to figure out, I want to draw another heart inside of this heart. Trying to figure out how to do that. If you have a better idea, let me know. What I'm going to try is to use my compass. Is just follow it around the edge. Now, I am new to all this woodworking. It's a fun little thing to do. Try to get your skills a little better. Alright, that didn't turn out so bad. I don't know if you could see the glare. I need to figure out how to get this point up here to look better. I'm going to cut this out and see how it goes. First, I need to drill a pilot hole. Let's loosen the blade. Pop it out. Get it through our hole. Then we put the blade back on. I want to get one of those magnifying glasses with the arm that has the light on it. It'd be perfect for this. What do we have? How about that? Let's take it back to the sander, do a little cleaning up. Got to hit that bottom though. Alright, I need to do some hand sanding, get down in there. But I think it looks alright. I mean, it may not be absolutely perfect, but as anything in life, I could seriously use a router table. I got some clamps and wood hooked up to try to hold this in place. Hopefully it'll work. But hey, that seemed to work. So let's flip it around and do the other side. This little Klein's workbench is awesome. I love all the little holes for getting, clamps and everything in. Have a little sanding to do. It's nice. Now, figure out how to do the outside. First time I ever got to try out my new router. I've been using an old router my mom gave me many years ago. It was a good starter router, but it was time to upgrade. I think I'm done. Now I just need to hand sand it down again. It's coming together. Well, here we go. The sun is heating it up again. The part everybody loves. Hand sanding. Do this with the 120, come back with 220. Just try to knock off the rough edges. I hope she likes it. So here is the finished product. A lot different from the piece of wood we started with earlier. I'm going to try some special walnut stain. Never used it before. First time for everything. I need my gloves. I wish I had a clear coat. I'm about to pick some up. I think this will definitely look good with a clear coat. To help keep it looking shiny. I need some shellac. I have an old scrap 2x4. See what I could do with it. Instead of the fat 2x4, I think I'm gonna go with some thinner stock. Got it cut down. Do a little sanding. Instead of having it square though, you know, square at 90-degree edges, I think I'm gonna take it to the sander and try to put a, what is it, a chamfer slant on it. First I need to mark it though. So let's see what size my top. This is my top. I have my base. I marked a line around it so I know where to sand down to try to get it uniformed around the top. Let's go ahead and hand sand it. I'm gonna drill a hole right in the center. Got a pilot hole, a little countersink. Time to do a little more hand sanding. For the base, I'm gonna try aged barrel stain. Let's see how that works out. look like it's doing much. I was hoping it would be darker. Hopefully it'll darken up some. I don't want to get exactly in the middle. Save a little room so I can get a dot of glue to help hold everything together. I'm gonna let this dry overnight and I'll put it together tomorrow. I'll show you what it looks like then. Time for some shellacking. Put a little shine on it. I like that. Make that way better looking. Let me move the camera and get the other side. I'll bring y'all back when it's dry. I think it turned out great. The shellac. Glad I went and got it. But thank y'all for checking out the video on building my wife's Valentine's gift. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm not a professional wood builder or anything. I'm just getting into it. So I learn as I go. Not only do I do firewood on this channel, but hey, every once in a while I do something different. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope y'all had a blessed Valentine's weekend and this week ahead of you. And I will catch y'all on the next episode. And there's the final product. Wifey approved.